I said, bro, like volatility off the open, is always a thing. Now, this is what I mean by relative strength. Look, we got like all the large and mega caps kind of selling off and looking bearish. Look, under the 120, right? Damn near like Apple and the SPY barely holding previous close, and the Qs like looking the same, but as opposed to where previous close is looking a little stronger. But Tesla, look, way over previous close and over the 120 and the 9 going up towards VWAP. That's what I mean by relative strength. Market open. Look, relative strength. Look, Apple dumping. Everything's dumping off the open. I mean, we got stuff going on in China. You would expect Apple to be affected by that. Where a lot of their iPhones and chip makers are at. Looks like Apple is looking weaker out of the bunch. Meta looking strong again. Look at Meta. I mean, same thing it did yesterday. Now look at the look at Nvidia and Amazon. Amazon and Nvidia were looking pretty strong yesterday. All day until we had that sell off. Again, Meta's looking like it was yesterday, bro. It came out the gate strong, but then like hit I don't know if there was resistance or just because of the market start selling off or whatever. That thing hit a brick wall and turned around, bro. But again, dude, we're only 2 minutes into the trading period. Meta's looking super strong though. Meta is looking super strong. Look at this thing. Amazon starting to see a little bounce. All right. Again, this is on the 5 minute. Now, what's crucial is does this SPX? Damn, look at Meta. Does this SPX, the S&P 500 index, is it able to get up back above 4,000? It's really going to determine a lot of stuff. All right. I mean, off the open, dude, everything's like looking weak, breaking down, and or like going backside, except for Meta, bro. Out the gates, bro. 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row, Meta has looked super strong out the gates. Again, this is on the 5 minute. Let's look at the 2 minute. I mean, even stronger, dude. No, not even any pullbacks. I don't think that's sustainable though. I really don't. But look at the S&P 500 index. Going red to green. Very important. I mean, 4,000 is way up here though. I was gonna put 4,000 flat. A key level right there. I mean, will we even be able to get there today? I don't know. It's got a mixed bag of results off the open. But there's our key level on the SPX. Now Amazon and Nvidia. Look, cracking to the downside, but I mean, a lot of volume, bro. A million shares. Amazon, look at this wick. Like, look at this doji candle, bro. Look, it was looking bearish. Now they're squeezing it up. They turned it into a doji candle. So I think there's some buyers in Amazon coming back over to the S&P 500 index and Meta. Look at this thing. It's just ripping, bro. Right now, Meta's looking the strongest out of the bunch. But we've seen that same story before, bro. Obviously, very volatile off the open. The first, 10, 15 minutes of market open, really got to have a real plan, bro, and a strategy. And you feel me? Have some experience to be trading like right off the open. I mean, I feel like I have a little bit of experience, definitely not a pro by any means, but do have a couple years under my belt, and I still don't like to trade off the open unless I'm swinging a position from the previous day. Then I'll trade off the open. And look at Meta just pushing higher. Let's scroll out a couple days and see what's going on with Meta. All right, look. Yesterday it got up here. Yeah, this is looking good, but really we want to see that thing break above all this chop right here, bro. See all this resistance and chopping around. Like, this is where you want Meta to break past. I believe to really have some confidence. Nvidia and Amazon looking pretty bearish right now on the 5 minute. Let's go back over here. Tesla looking like it's finding support down here at previous close. The S&P 500 index, look, putting in higher lows, has gone front side and looking bullish. All right. Nvidia, I don't know what's going on with the chip makers right now. Probably has something to do with China. But Amazon is starting to maybe find a bottom here intraday, short term. And let's see if Nvidia is able to at least hold here, bro. And check out Meta. I mean, bullish. Is it able to consolidate here? Maybe just put in a higher low, healthy pullback, and continue upward? I mean, that's the question. Looking at the S&P 500 index, you know, it's looking good right now. This previous close right here, which I don't know, what is it? 39.60s, something like that. 39.63, 64. It needs to hold this for us to really see some bullishness in the market, I believe, as far as the overall market. All right, let's go back over here. Apple's really feeling it now. The China stuff is really looking like it is having an effect on Apple. One of the leaders, one of the generals. That thing has shown some decent relative strength, though. Decent relative strength. And look, it's looking like it may have found the bottom of the range down here. Look, we're chopping around. Look, consolidating kind of for about 15 minutes. I say Apple holds this. If it's able to hold this 143.5, you feel me? Maybe think about buying a quick dip for a scalp, but only if it holds this level. And right now it's looking like it's having trouble. The Qs, it's just a mixed bag right now. A lot happened yesterday. Crucial level right now on the SPY. This previous close is where we're trading at right now. I feel like it needs to hold. If the SPY cracks this previous close right here, along with the S&P 500, the SPX, look out below. Look, Apple was able to hold. That's a good sign. And Tesla is trading at, I'm at the bottom of the range so far, is what, the 183.37? You want to see Tesla hold that level if you're a long bias or if you're long. And if we just go over here and check out the S&P 500, the SPX, and Meta. Look, Meta was bullish out the gate, and it's kind of like consolidating a little bit. Now, if Meta's able to hold up here and not break down, at least hold VWAP and just consolidate, maybe trade sideways, then we might have something there. And look at the S&P 500, the SPX, like holding this previous close, putting in a nice bullish pattern, putting in some higher lows with some healthy pullbacks, stepping up, and now has been consolidating on this level right here. I mean, obviously it's previous close. This 39.64 70s. All right. And we're seeing some bouncing coming into the market. We got Nvidia and Amazon trying to get a little bullish on us, but I mean, they're selling into it, as we can see from these long wicks right here, trying to show some strength, but look at this decreasing volume. So I don't know. Again, here's Meta, like cracking VWAP, coming to the downside. Look, the S&P 500 index starting to see a little weakness with this wick right here. It's all good as long as we can hold this level, this previous close, and consolidate. I think we're still in good shape.